Do you consider yourself an artist, or do you just love creating art? Welcome. I'm Susan Clifton. I've been creating, exhibiting, and selling my art for many years, and I want to help you do the same. I want to help other artists stay motivated, change their mindset, and market their artwork. For those of you still learning your craft, I have art tutorials for you with acrylic techniques, tips, and tools. Each week I post a video. It can either be an art tutorial or an inspirational mindset video, or a video on improving your technical marketing skills. Going forward, I plan to post a short video every week on art marketing. My plan is to keep you motivated, keep you moving forward, while I hope I do as well. I will cover email marketing, social media techniques, and website tips. I hope that I can help you learn new skills on this channel. I want to help you by sharing what I learn as I continue with my journey to improving my art business. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. I hope to see you soon, so bye-bye.